Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start with 1 kg live or frozen crabs, split and cleaned under cold water, removing gills and apron. If frozen, thaw in the refrigerator overnight, then rinse. Marinate crabs with 2 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tsp salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1 tablespoon fish sauce for 15 minutes to let flavor penetrate the shell. Meanwhile, mince 3 cloves garlic and 1 inch ginger. Chop 1 medium onion. Prepare 1 lime for serving and set aside 2 tablespoon oil, 1 red chili optional, and a ladle for heat 2 tablespoon oil in a wide pan. Sauté onion, garlic, and ginger until translucent for about 3 minutes to release aromatics. Add 2 tablespoon extra curry powder and toast 1 minute to deepen flavor, then add marinated crab and sear 2 minutes per side to seal juices. Stir in 1 can, 400 ml, coconut milk and 1 cup water. Bring to a boil. Reduce to a gentle simmer, cover, and cook for 12-15 minutes until crab meat reaches 63 degrees C and shells turn bright orange. Adjust seasoning with 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 1/2 tsp salt, tasting for balance of sweet, salty, and spicy. Add 1 tsp lime juice for brightness if needed. If the sauce is thin, simmer uncovered 3-5 minutes until reduced. For thinner sauce, stir in 1 teaspoon cornstarch mixed with 1 tablespoon water. Garnish with chopped cilantro, sliced lime, and optional 1 red chili. Rest cooked curry crab 5 minutes off heat to let sauce thicken and flavors meld before serving with steamed rice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.